Hello everyone, welcome to the day 7 of January LeetCoding challenge, and here is a question. Longest substring without repeating characters. Okay, so here is a question statement. Given a string as, we have to find the length of longest substring without repeating characters. Example here, A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B. So if we take a substring A, B and C, okay, then we are having the length as 3 ABC, and it does not contain any repeating character. We cannot add A because we are having A here. Okay. Similarly, we can take other substrings also. For example, C, A, B also having length as 3, but we cannot take C, B as a substring because it is having 2 and it is not a maximum length substring. Okay. Similarly here we are having the maximum length substring is 1. Okay, and here also, here we are having a substring PW, its length is 2. We are having a substring WKE, its length is 3. Since we are supposed to print the length of maximum substring, so it will be 3. Okay, here it is null, it will be 0. So moving to the approach. So here is a example that we saw earlier. A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B, and an integer res which is initialized to value 0. This will store the length of the maximum substring. Okay, so initially we are having I at 0 position and J at 0 position. Okay, or 0 index, whatever. Okay, now here we are having only A in our substring. Okay, so our res will become 1. Okay, now we will increment our J. Okay, so from I to J there is a substring and it do not contain any duplicate value, so we can increment our res. Now we will increment our J. So we are having I to J, we are having A, B and C, so we can increment our res since we are not having any duplicate value in them. Okay, now incrementing our J, we reach here. Here we are having a duplicate value which is A, so we will increment our A. So from B to C, from B, C, A, the length of the substring is 3 and we are having 3 years, so we need not to increase our res. Okay, so now incrementing our J, we reach here. Here also we are having a duplicate value which is B. Okay, so we will increment our I. Now we will check C, A, B. They are no duplicate value. The length is 3, but we are having 3 here. Okay, so we will increment our J. We reach at this position. Here we are having from I to J, we are having C as a duplicate value, so we will increment our I. We reach here. From I to J, we are having no duplicate value and the length is 3, but res is equals to 3. Okay, so we need not to change it. Okay, so we will increment our J again. From I to J, we are having a duplicate value or not? Yes, we are having, which is B. So we will increment our I. From I to J, here also we are having a duplicate value which is B. So we will again increment our I. Here we are having from I to J, C and B, which is not having any duplicate value, and the length of the substring is 2, which is less than 3. So no need to change res, and we will increment our J. Here we are having, and from I to J, C, B, B. Here we are having a duplicate value which is B, so increment our I. From J to I, we are having a duplicate value B, so increment our I. Okay, So from J to add it is only this substring which is length 1, and it is less than res, so we need not to change it. Okay, so at the end we got res as 3, which is the length of the maximum length substring, which is not having any duplicate value. Okay, so here is a C++ implementation of my approach. Here I have taken an integer n which stores the size of the string. Here integer I which is 0, integer j which is 0. Okay, now here it is a map char int mampy which stores the frequency of different characters. Here we are having integer res which is 0 initially, and here we will iterate through the string. So while mp of s of j is greater than 0, if the frequency of s of j is greater than 0, we will increment our I and decrease its frequency also. Okay, so here we have done mp of s of I minus minus for decreasing the frequency of s of I, and here we have increment our I. Now res is equals to max of res comma j minus I plus 1. Okay, so here if my if the length of current substring, that is j minus I plus 1, is greater than res, then res will be j minus I plus 1. Okay, now I will store the frequency of this s of j, that is I have incremented the frequency of s of j plus plus. Okay, now we will increment our j. Now at last I will return my res. Okay, now running this code, it shows me finished, and now submitting it. Okay, it's accepted. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe.